Alright, what's going on? I'm Zach's brother. I'm not Zach, but he asked me to record a video for him because I'm going up to this island in northern Michigan with a few of my buddies. We might do some fishing and some fires and cooking steaks and whatnot. Alright, so we finally got to the island. There's one problem though. The radar said it wouldn't be raining when we got here. Said it's supposed to stop, and we'll just have to keep watching it for now. We thought it through a little bit. Supposedly the rain's gonna pass in about 30 minutes, but we got some stuff that's waterproof that we can bring over. So I'm gonna start bringing over our cooler and some other things like that. I forgot my mount, so I'm not gonna film while I paddle. But we made it. My buddy's out there still. He's probably gonna sink and we'll never see him again. Oh, no way. This tree last year was scaring the crap out of us because we knew it was gonna fall. That's literally where I normally pitch my tent. Oh my goodness. Yeah, this thing was big. We accidentally, you can probably see it. We accidentally caught it on fire. Areas like this we caught on fire, and we almost let this whole island up. If this thing caught, it would have caught all these trees. Garrett.
Oh, probably. Oh, yeah.
But there's a little goose on the island. Garrett's hungry. We wanted chicken, so he just might have to do. We found the fountain of youth. Garrett is gonna drink it. We're out here flipping logs. We found a little salamander and a little worm, buddy. All right, so it's gotten a little nicer out. Sun is shining. Everything's starting to dry up, so we decided we'd build a giant fire.
It's looking good.
Yes, it is looking good. We also made some steaks. Deep frying our steaks, bro. Deep frying them. Don't include the part where we set the stump on fire. Just the bonfire, thank you. Yeah, so, good morning. Yesterday, the camera battery died. We were trying to burn this tree log right here, and the fire spread to the down tree. And this thing's been dead for a long time, so it's real dry. And we can't get it out. We're just a little worried, but... Okay, we think we got it out. We just dumped a bunch of water inside of it. Hopefully it'll stop, but maybe it'll just burn the island up when we leave today. So I guess we'll find out. Da da da. Time being, we're just gonna cook up some food and enjoy the morning a little bit. Quick disclaimer, I have no idea what's about to be said.
I have special news for the CIA. Lee Harvey Oswald didn't do it.
Alright, so we're about to head out fishing. We're gonna do my favorite method of fishing. Garrett's actually practicing right now. We just walk right up to the water and then we shoot the fish that we see. No, we're gonna go fly fishing, so. Alright, so we got to the dam. Garrett and Hunter got our rods all rigged up, stopped by the fly fishing shop, so we're gonna get out there and see if we can catch anything. I've never had any luck at this spot, but there's always a bunch of people here, so we're trying it again. Okay, so I'm not actually fly fishing yet. I'm using my spinning reel, but they're biting. I can't set the hook right. Right down here, you probably can't see them. But I'm gonna set up the camera because I think I'm gonna get one, dude. So I'm pretty pumped. I really been dying to catch a trout here. So.
Oh, you got one.
There we go. Look at how pretty they are. Very tiny, but I don't care. I'm gonna get him back in the water so he doesn't get hurt, but that's the first one of the day, baby. Oh, we got another one. I don't know if you can see him over there. I hope you can. Look at all the fish following him. All right. Well, I want to see how big I can get a fish to bite. So I'm going to try and go a little further out because it seems like these tiny ones don't have much of a problem at all. Okay, we got him out. Here he is. So very cool. Let him go. Look at that. I think it's fine. All right, this one's big. Fish. Let him go. All right, this is the fly fishing rod. I'm gonna use a little black fly and see how this works. I don't really have everything I should have for fly fishing, but I'm just gonna give it a shot. Oh, I'm already getting bites on it and I'm not even trying to. Okay. So you should be able to kind of reel them in with your rod and grab the line. All right, that's my first trout on a fly fishing rod. There's something else. When you fight them in the current, they can swim. Look at that color. It's so pretty. If you're wondering why my voice gets all muffled when I catch a fish, it's because I'm throwing my fishing rod in my mouth so I can use both my hands. Just so you know. Easily got my biggest one right now. I don't think he's 10 inches, but he very well could be. He's, oh, all right. Doesn't matter anymore. All right, I just ran to get a tape measure, got it my waders, and we're gonna try and keep some, cook them back on the island. And we just didn't have a tape measure with us. We caught one that might have been a keeper, but we didn't want to keep it if it wasn't, so. Oh yeah, I do. Oh yeah, it's probably just him being in the current. When you hold him in the current like this, is not good. Shoots oxygen through him. It's basically like a Celsius for fish. Hunter caught a crazy fish.
Look at this fish I just caught. Oh, Bessie, man. You know what's funny? I found this lure.
Dang, bro. You found this lure?
Yeah, I found it.
You want me to take it off for you?
South Haven Pier.
Dude, that's just a classic.
See if I can find that smaller. Alright, see if I can find that smaller.
Also, we started talking about how many fish we were catching. And then these guys back here were like, oh, let's go fish over by them. Yeah, I'll pull it out. I got it right here.
Right. See what he is.
He can't be 10, I don't think.
7.
Almost 8. Let me get him on here. Oh, he's pretty, man.
Yeah, beauty.
Yeah, good catch.
Dude, he loves this so.
They're not crazy.
No
expensive.
way!
You need a heat gun. You put this piece of plastic around where it snapped, and then you heat gun it. You got one? He got one. Garrett got his first fly fishing fish. Had a blue crayfish stuck in some line. I've never seen them like that.
It's been good. I learned how to fly fish. We've been catching some trout. Oh my gosh, what's that?
It's a beautiful sunset going on. We got another guy that showed up, but he didn't bring a kayak. So we have a train situation happening. That's the kayak he's gonna ride back over. And that is the lid to like an army case he's got in the back of his truck that we threw his stuff into. So it's gonna take me a hot minute because I got all this stuff behind me. But we're getting our campsite all packed up. We're gonna head out, go to a different spot, and do a little bit more fishing. Got all the stuff in the kayak right here. We're just heading back a little bit. Boat launch is just about there, and we're saying bye to the island. See you later, island. Got our gear, fishing rods. Got my bag with me and the waders. Now we walk down this trail right here, river trail. It goes pretty far back. I think it goes about a mile back. And there's just about I don't know, every 5 minutes or so there's another spot that you can jump down into the river and start fishing. And sometimes it's annoying because you just have to go past a bunch of people. If the first 5 spots are taken, then you just got to keep walking, so you never know how far back you got to go. But sometimes this one's open. Ryan's got the first. Oh, Ryan had the first catch of the day. I don't think that one counts because he didn't unhook it.
It's true.
And